Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if OCR optical character recognition isn't working in Adobe Acrobat, don't worry. OCR problems are usually caused by low quality scans, image-based PDFs, incorrect OCR settings, unsupported languages, outdated Acrobat versions, or licensing issues. The good news is that most OCR issues can be fixed in just a few minutes, allowing Acrobat to recognize text and make your PDF searchable and editable again. So first thing, verify you have Acrobat Pro. So OCR is a premium Acrobat feature. So try opening Scan and OCR. If Acrobat shows upgrade required, free trial subscription needed, then Acrobat Pro is required. OCR is not fully available in Acrobat Reader, okay? Then make sure the PDF contains images. Like OCR only works on image-based contents, like so. Test the PDF, try selecting text. If the text is already selectable, if nothing can be selected, if the text is already selectable, OCR may already be complete. If not, OCR should be able to process it. Okay, so OCR is designed to recognize text within images. So then improve scan quality. Like poor scans often cause OCR failures. So for best results, 300 dpi or higher, sharp text, good contrast, like proper page orientation, avoid blurry scans, cropped pages, very dark or faded documents. So OCR accuracy depends heavily on scan quality. Okay, run OCR manually, like open, scan, and OCR recognize text, and in this file start recognition. Okay, so it forces Acrobat to process the documents and create searchable text. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.